We are at the end of act today for the aptitude. We are looking at mixture and allegation. The question says the ratio in which a tea costing rupees 192 per kg to be mixed with a tea costing 150 rupees per kg. So that the mixed tea when sold for 194.40 kg gives a profit of 20%. So if you have ever done a question of mixture and allegation, the simple formula for finding a ratio, that is maximum price and minimum price. Here is average, and then ratio 1, ratio 2. This is the formula for finding mixture and allegation ratio according to two item and an average. So we are given two items at maximum price. Just change the pen. Max price, which is 192 per kg rupees per kg, and there is minimum price, which is 150 per kg rupees per kg. The next is, it says the average price should be something like 194.40. It gives 20% profit. So the average price is 194.40 with 20% profit. So to find the actual average price, we have to remove the 20% profit part from it. So we can, we are back at it. So we can assume that 120% or 20% profit is given as 194.40. So when we say 100%, it will give us 162. Or let's look at this, how to solve this. 194.40 divided by 120, which gives us this 162. And now we got the average price as 162. We'll just proceed to find the ratios according to this formula. So let me just put the price in respective place. So we got 192 here. There's a 150 and the 162, which is average. This is ratio 1 and ratio 2. Here we will get 192 minus 162, just minus the maximum minus minimum, or bigger minus small, and here we will get 162 minus 150. These are the ratios, so it shouldn't be negative. So I'll just do it this way. This will be 12 and this will be 30. So we can cut it out by 6. Yeah, 2 and 6 5 is 30. This will be our answer. Let's look at 2 as to the right. Yeah, this one. Let's look at another question. Okay, let's try the simple question for now. The question says, in a zoo there are rabbits and pigeons If their heads are counted and there are 200 heads, so we are given as they are rabbits, pigeons. So I assume the rabbit is something like this, and pigeons maybe something like, and their wings. Okay. Wow, my train sucks big time. Okay, so there are 200 heads and their legs which counted are 580. So we are given legs and heads count and we have to find the number of pigeons in the zoo. So we can use the allegation mixture or the other way. Let me first solve using the other way. As we know, the rabbits have 4 legs and pigeons will have only 2. So we can say the legs count, which is 4r plus 2p is equal to 580, and the heads will only have 1. So we can say r plus p equal to 200. And if we multiply this below equation by 2, we'll get 2r plus 2p equal to 400. And the above equation will same. So we get the 2p. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Do the 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, we'll get minus, minus and minus. You just cut this 2p from 2p, it will be 0. The 4r minus 2r, which will be 2r, and 580 minus 400 will be 180. So r will be 90. The rabbits are in the zoo, 90 rabbits. So the rest must be pigeons. We have 200 total count or 200 heads count and minus the rabbit, or just put it in this equation. We have 90 here, just put 90 here, take this 90 this side, 200 minus 90, and the p will be 110. So the answer we can see from here is C, 110. Let's look at the next question. Let's start the third question. The third question says the weight of two friends are given is 4:5. The name of friends are Ram and Shyam. The ratio is given as 4:5. Since the weight of Ram's is increased by 10%, and the total weight becomes 82.8 kg, and with an increase of 15%. So since the average increase is 15% given, then what percentage did the weight of Shyam has to be increased? So what is increasing this Shyam's weight? So this question says that we have to maintain the ratio of the weight is 4:5, and if we increase the one weight, definitely the second weight will be increased. That's how the average weight will increase. Sorry. So if we keep the average weight as 15 and increase the Ram's weight to 10%, then what will be increasing the Shyam's weight? We can do this question by mixture and allegation. Just write this is maximum sim. We are given this 10%. Here is the x%. Average is 15%. Here will be x minus 15. percent, and here will be 15 minus 10%. The ratio we are given here is R by S equal to 4 by 5, or R is to S is 4 by 5. So we can write this is x minus 15 upon 15 minus 10. So this is just 5. So x minus 15 upon 5 equal to 4 by 5. Just cut this 5 by 5. We get x equal to 15 plus 4, which is 19%. Option will be B. Thank you for watching the videos. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.